Hello everyone, my name is ritam and today I am presenting a hotel booking website called Homely Hub. This is a Manstack internship offered by WebStack Academy. Right now I am pursuing BTech from University of Engineering and Management Jaipur and I am in final year student from electronics background. So let's start the presentation. So this is the contents: overview, goals, full stack development, Manstack, design, about project, implementation, conclusion. Full stack development entails developing both the front end or user interface and the backend or internal working of a website or application. In simple terms, a developer who can manage both sides. The content that people see and interact with on their displays is created by developers using front-end language such as HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Their goal while designing layouts, styles, and interactive features to create a seamless and pleasurable user experience. Developing real-world expertise in web application development using MongoDB, ExpressJS, React.js, and Node.js is the main objective in our internship in Manstack web development. Our goal include learning how to create and develop web application from the front end to the back end. The overall goal of the internship is to provide us with the information and abilities required to function well in real-world situations as a Manstack developer. Full stack development. Full stack development is the process of developing both the front end and back end of an application. The front end is the user interface, while the back end handles business logic and application workflows. In essence, full stack development involves mastering both the visible and invisible aspects of building website or application, making full stack developer versatile and capable of handling all stages of development. It is a popular web development technology allowing developers to build dynamic and scalable web applications using JavaScript across the entire stack that consists of four main components. So the components are MongoDB, ExpressJS, React.js, Node.js. These are the architecture and design. A software application architecture and design define how various components interact with one to another, accomplish the application objectives. They also cover the application's overall structure, organization and functioning. I am working on building a full stack website where we are building a website called Homely Hub using the Manstack. It involves learning and applying skill in MongoDB, ExpressJS, React and Node.js to create different parts of website like the booking system and user interface. It's a hands-on experience where we get to work on a real-life project and also gaining valuable skill in web development. Implementation. Install necessary software and tools such as Node.js, MongoDB, and also create the React app using npx create React app. Design the database schema to store hotel and booking related data. Design and develop user interface component for the hotel booking website using React. Implement features such as hotel listening, search functionality, and booking forms. In conclusion, my internship experience with WebStack Academy and the implementation of Homely Hub website using React has been incredibly rewarding. Throughout the journey, I faced numerous challenges ranging from mastering React.js to understand the specific required of the project. However, each obstacle served as an opportunity for growth and learning. Throughout diligent effort and collaboration with mentors, I successfully navigated these challenges and delivered a robust and functional website. This project enabled me to enhance my technical skill in React development. I gained proficiency in various React concepts and sequences techniques, including component-based architecture, state management, and asynchronous data handling. So this is all about the specification and presentation of my Homely Hub website. Right now I am showing the actual website which I am building using React.js, and I am also showing all the functionality that how it's working. So let's begin. So this is all about the code. Created separate folder for backend, database and frontend. Inside the frontend I have app.js. I implement all the React component as well as import all the files. Inside this CSS I have writing all the style of this website, and inside the component folder I have all the components which I use in my project, like accommodation, then home, then my bookings, then payments, then property details, user, and inside of every folder there are separated files which I implement during the internship. And inside my MongoDB, if I clicking the Homely Hub, then it's showing some bookings. Already done some booking, that is why it's showing some bookings. After that, if I going to the properties, then it will showing all the property list, so it's directly showing to my website, as you can see. And a third one is user. Whenever someone is logging to my website, then it's showing the user details. As you can see, from by clicking this my account, you can create your own user account to my website. Now I am talking about some features of my website. Right now I am showing my project and how my project is working. All the functionalities is there in my project, so I can explain everything. So let's begin. So first of all, I start the terminal. So new terminal, and I just write down here cd front end, then npm start. You can see that it's showing that property not found, because the reason is I'm not connecting the backend folder, so that is why it's showing that property not found. So right now I just connecting first the backend, and after that I connecting the front end, and then write down the npm start. Okay, so let's start. So first I write cd backend, then npm start. After clicking that, it's showing that db connection successful. That means my MongoDB is successfully connected to my backend folder. So now I am start the front end folder. So as my backend is connected, it's showing all the property details of my website. I am earlier mentioned, so this is an hotel booking website. So whenever I click any of this object, it was like hotel, building, house, everything, whatever it was, it can showing accordingly. So by clicking the picture, I can see the exact image of the hotel, and I just simply cross this, and inside, and if I scroll down, it's showing the description. It a little bit description about the hotel, where is located, like this. And after that, it's showing that max number of guests. That means I can book only 10 guests to this hotel at a time. After that, what this place offer, that means the actual facility inside the hotel. So these are the facility like kitchen, free parking, and Wi-Fi. These are the free kitchen, free parking, and Wi-Fi. These are the facilities that offer to this hotel. And after that, where you will be, so that means the location actually where the hotel is located. Like as you can see, it's showing that Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So if I click here and going here, so as you can see, the hotel also located in Chennai. After that, extra information. So in the extra information, it's showing the actually brief description of my website. So these are the description. Now I am showing you that how can I book this plot. So let's start and book this plot. So today is 14, and I just suppose end date is 25, and after the number of guests, as you can see, the maximum number of guests is 10, so I can always prefer less than 10, not greater than 10. Okay, so now I am clicking here 5, and then after that I write my full name, Ritam Maji, and here is a dummy phone number, and just click book the place. And after that, it's showing that enter your card number for payment. So I just write here some dummy card number over there, and I just pay. So as you can see, it's successfully booked, and it's showing in my booking option. So in this way you can book your hotel. After that, I am showing the search button, how search button is work. So suppose I visit Goa, so I just write Goa over here. So I just write Goa here and click the search button. So whatever hotel, house or apartments is there in Goa, it can showing here accordingly if I add it to my backend folder. So as you can see, this is one apartments and another one is house is present. So if I suppose to click this, so it can showing all the details of the hotels, and in the same process I mentioned earlier, I can book this hotel also. So now I am going to back. So this way search work, and after that if I suppose write Goa and after that write here start date and end date, if it's available, and also add here max gauge and it. So if it's available on that time, then definitely it's showing. So I just simply back. So now I am showing here the filtering of how filtering option is work and how can I get the exact out. So these are the filtering option I added in my project. So price range, in price range, by clicking this price range option, I can simply reduce or increase the price. Suppose if I not use this bar, then I simply write here like 800. So accordingly the price range will be moving. After that, property types. So whatever property I need, like if I need house, in suppose I am going to Goa and I need some house, if it's available then it's showing. If I need house, so then I click simply house, then I flat, then simply click the flat, then guest house, then simply click the guest house, and after that hotel, then room type. So suppose I need the entire room for 5 to 6 people. On that time I just click the entire room. I need a single room personally for me, so on that time I just click the room. If I need anything, then I just click any type. So by clicking this, it's showing accordingly. Then amenities, if I need, so these are the facilities that provided by some of hotels. If I click the Wi-Fi, in suppose there have Wi-Fi facilities are there, on that time it's showing the Wi-Fi based house, plot, apartment. If I need AC, on that time simply click the AC. Then there have TV, free parking, kitchen, washing machine, and pool also are there. So let's clear all those, and just clicking the clear and everything will be clear. And when I click the apply filter, it's showing the plots. So I just simply price range as default, and I just click the house and apply filter. So as you can see, these all are the house that located in different places. It's showing here. Now I just going to my home page, and I already cover how to book website, the search destination, and as well as filter. Right now I am showing how you can create your own account. So I just simply log out and refresh once time. So now I am just going to my login page, and right here so this is my login page. As you are a new user coming to my website, so you have to click new user section. So here you put your name. So I put my name and then one dummy email, and after that I write down my password. Now remaining mobile number, that I write here one dummy mobile number, and I just simply click the register button, and it automatically create my account. So if I going to my account, as you can see, my full name, my email address and phone number is there, and the welcome user logo also there is. In suppose if I need one logo or image in my account, at that time I simply browse, and whatever image I needed, I just go to my desktop and add it here. And the one thing is that image is less than 10-20 KB to reduce the file size, and simply click the update and it will be updated the photos. So I just going to my homely hub page again. Now right now I am showing you the account. I am talking about the accommodation, how accommodation work. Suppose you have a hotel and you just contact me to add your hotel to my website. That time what you have to do, you just create an account and just add a new place over here. So whenever someone is coming to my website, he or she can watch your hotel also. If they need, then definitely he can book my accommodation work. And how can I add plot, building, apartments in my website? So let's start. So first of all, I go to Google and download some dummy images of hotels. So let's download some dummy images of hotels. So I downloaded all these 5 images which I added right now to my accommodation. So just click the add, just click here add accommodation, and it's showing the property name. So I just simply write here house. My property name is house, then address is located in Howrah and the city is Kolkata and the state is West Bengal, and this is a dummy pin code. After that I click the photos of this hotel, so of this house, sorry. So I just go and download, and I have added all the photos whatever I download from Google. Done. So I write down here some description about my house. So let's write so I write down here some random description. Then after that property type, so I select house, and room type entire room, and amenity, so whatever facilities I have to provide to the user, so I just write here. So I apply all of this. So write down some extra information here. How many guests I allow in my room, so it's 10, and the price per night is 500 rupees. So after that everything is filled up. So let's start. Everything is filled up. So I downloaded the hotel image, but I use the property name house, so I just showing you the example. So let's click the save button. So as you can see, after clicking the save button, my house accommodation is ready for selling. Whenever suppose someone is coming and search here Kolkata and simply search, my house is showing here. You can see my house is showing. So all property details and the location also, everything is added to my website. So after that I just simply fill up this form and accordingly book my place time. So this is all about my project I designed throughout my internship process of 1 month. Thank you so much to the WebStack Academy for offering me this wonderful internship. I learned so many things throughout it, so it's a great thing for me.